Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Thisistinuola, and for today's video I will be showing you what I do for my morning routine, a quick morning routine with my current fab breakfast option. This is going to be a smoothie recipe. So as usual, when I get up from bed, I stretch my body, pray, I go to the bathroom, ease myself, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Afterwards, I go straight to the kitchen to get breakfast. I drink water and then I go on with my breakfast. One of the reasons why I really like this smoothie recipe is because it's really quick to make. It's less than 5 minutes, and on days where I don't feel like cooking or I'm just rushing out of the house, this comes really handy. And yeah, these are the ingredients you need for it. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to have a taste.
Pretty good, very good. So I have both bottles, and this is going to last me from breakfast till brunch or lunch even. And the good thing about this is it's very filling, very filling. So the protein shake I used is from Jameson, and it has 20 grams of protein. Very affordable, guys. It's like $20, and it has flaxseed, probiotics, vitamins A, B complex. And if you're wondering what fruits I used, it's the Easy Blend from Great Value. I got it from Walmart, and this is quite affordable. It's like $6 or $7. It has mangoes, pineapples, bananas, spinach. So yeah, and I put like half tablespoon of honey. That was it, with water and 2 ice cubes, of course. It's a very healthy, easy and filling smoothie. So let me know if you try out this recipe, and leave it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down there, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.